हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 7 इंग्लिश का 4.4 होम स्वीट्स होम, उसके मार्जिनल क्वेश्चंस, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स। ये है, हाउ डज द पोएट ग्लोरीफाई हिज होम इन द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा? Answer: the poet says that through we may roam around palaces and pleasure-filled places, there is no place like home. However simple it may be, something magical from the sky seems to have made it holy. We cannot find this anywhere else in the world, however much we may search for it. B question say, how does the poet describe his home in the second stanza? Answer is, the poet said that his home is a simple detached cottage where the birds sing gaily and respond to its call. He gets the long for peace of mind when he is home. C question say, what makes the poet remember his mother? Answer, the sight of the moon in the sky make the poet remember his mother. D. What does the poet miss? Answer, the poet missed the gaily singing birds, the fragrant woodbine, his father's fond smile and his mother's loving cares. And of course, he misses his humble thatched cottage. E. What does the poet hope for? Answer, the poet hoped to return to his home and never leave it again. A question say, in which profession if a person forced to stay away from his homeland for a long time? Try to guess why the poet is forced to stay away from his home. Answer: a person in the army, navy, or air force is forced to leave home. If he is travel writer or a student too, he maybe have to have home to leave home. Today, anyone in any profession may have to leave home depending on what job he is doing. Probably the opportunities for job near the poet's home are few, hence he has to leave home in search of the job and is forced to stay away when he gets one. Second question say, write out a few things that you would really miss about your home if you were to stay away from it for long. Answer: if I were to stay away from home, I would firstly miss my family. Then I would miss my comfortable bed, the view outside my big bedroom window and crow that takes food from my hands. I would also miss my table, cupboard and my rocking chair.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.